Hi everyone, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful scene inside a water droplet featuring fish jumping at sunset. Grab your pencil and let's get started. First, we will start by drawing the outline of the water droplet. Draw a large teardrop shape in the center of your paper. This will be our canvas for the scene inside. Next, let's draw the horizon line inside the droplet. Draw a horizontal line about 1/3 from the bottom to represent the water. Add gentle waves on the surface to give the impression of a calm sea. Now draw a large circle above the horizon line to represent the setting sun. Add reflections of the sun on the water with light horizontal lines that follow the curve of the droplet. Next, let's draw the fish. Draw a fish jumping out of the water. Start with basic shapes for the bodies and refine the details such as the fins and tails. On the left side of the droplet, draw a palm tree leaning into the scene. Add detailed leaves to the tree. On the right side, draw a few bare branches with small birds perched on them. These elements add a sense of balance and natural beauty to the composition. Now let's add shading and texture to the drawing. Start with the sun shading lightly around it to create a glowing effect. Add shadows and highlights to the fish to give them a three-dimensional look. Shade the water to reflect the sun's light and add texture to the trees and branches. And there you have it, a serene scene of fish jumping at sunset inside a water droplet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. See you in the next video.